practicing its smiley faces.
All right, I'm gonna give a little rant. A little rant. No, I'm not gonna give a rant. How are you guys doing out there? It's a nice day to be outside. If you can get your butt outside and go for a walk, please do it. Because I know everybody's going crazy lately. Everybody's stressed. You have no control of your life. It looks like the economy's crap. It doesn't look like the US government works for you. It looks like it's working for itself. Put itself in business. And we're just playing along here as we keep ourselves very busy and occupied. Or just zoned out, you know, because if you try to actually live like human beings lately, it seems like a foreign concept. It seems like, you know, you're doing something wrong. What are you doing? But yeah, try to go for walks. Drink some actual water. You know, the usual. Have fun. Say hi to family if you can. Breathe air. Get out in nature. Try to get your headspace back together because things are kind of weird lately. But yeah, just keep looking for the hypocrisies out there in the government. Yeah, you should be grateful and stuff, but sometimes you feel like you're getting cheated. I think you are, so if you feel like you're getting cheated, man, just take a little break and try to improve on yourself. Try to improve your situation whatever way you can. Somebody's on your back. Cut the cheese, man. Let them smell that shit. Fuck 'em. Keep pumping up. Enjoy nature as much as you can.